Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is how to say some country's name in French. Unlike in English, all the countries have a gender in French language. They are either masculine or feminine. All the countries ending with the letter E are feminine. However, there are some exceptions like Mexique, Zaire and cambodge. These countries end with an E, but these countries are masculine. So, before this country's name, we always use the masculine definite article le. Always remember one thing, that all the countries carry a definite article with them. So, before the feminine country's name, we use the definite article la. For example, La France est une belle pays means France is a beautiful country. As France is considered as a feminine country, so we use the feminine definite article la before France. The countries take prepositions according to their number and their gender in French language. The countries that are plural take o before them. The countries that are masculine take o before them, and the countries that are feminine take o before them, and the countries which start with a vowel also take the preposition o before them. For example, il habite aux États-Unis. He lives in the United States. Here, United States is a plural country, so we use o before this country. Il va au Pakistan. They are going to Pakistan. Here, the Pakistan is a masculine country, so we use o before this country. Nous sommes au Chine. We are in China. Here, China is a feminine country, so we use o preposition before this country name. J'habite en Inde. I live in India. Here, the country India, the spelling start with vowel I. So, we use the preposition o before this country name. The countries, les pays. India is called l'Inde. France is called la France. Japan is called le Japon. China is called la Chine. America is called l'Amérique. Switzerland is called la Suisse. England is called l'Angleterre. I am repeating once again. India is called l'Inde. France is called la France. Japan is called le Japon. China is called la Chine. America is called l'Amérique. Switzerland is called la Suisse. England is called l'Angleterre. Let's have a look the name of some countries in French. Portugal is called le Portugal. United States is called les États-Unis. Spain is called l'Espagne. Germany is called l'Allemagne. Italy is called l'Italie. Russia is called la Russie. Canada is called Le Canada. Belgium is called La Belgique. Sri Lanka is called Le Sri Lanka. I am repeating once again. Portugal, Le Portugal. United States, Les États-Unis. Spain, l'Espagne. Germany, l'Allemagne. Italy, l'Italie. Russia, la Russie. Canada, le Canada. Belgium, la Belgique. Sri Lanka, le Sri Lanka. Egypt is called l'Egypte. Brazil is called le Brazil. Algeria is called l'Algérie. Senegal is called le Senegal. Nigeria is called le Niger. Australia is called l'Australie. Scotland is called l'Écosse. Austria is called l'Autriche. Ireland is called l'Irlande. Holland is called la Hollande. I am repeating once again. Egypt is called l'Egypte. Brazil is called le Brazil. Algeria is called l'Algérie. Senegal is called le Senegal. Nigeria is called le Niger. Australia is called l'Australie. Scotland is called l'Écosse. Austria is called l'Autriche. Ireland is called l'Irlande. Holland is called la Hollande. If you like my video, then please like and share my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.